Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to use Trezor Safe 3 wallet step by step. Unbox and inspect the seal, connect the device to a clean computer, and open the official Trezor app. Verify the firmware and generate a new seed using the device only. Write the recovery phrase on the provided card, store it securely offline, and choose a strong PIN that you can remember but others cannot guess. Begin by installing the official Trezor app or bridge and follow on-screen prompts while your device remains connected. Confirm the firmware hash shown on the device matches the app and never skip verification. Choose a secure PIN and record the recovery seed exactly as displayed, placing it somewhere offline and protected. Enable optional passphrase for extra security and review device settings before adding accounts and assets to the wallet. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and give it a like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. A book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth. It offers clear ideas about saving and investing that pair surprisingly well with protecting crypto. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab it, consider it a small thanks. Now let's get back to the video. To use the wallet, add accounts for the cryptocurrencies you hold, and always check the receive address on the device screen before sharing. When sending funds, verify amount, destination, and fee on the hardware display and approve with the device buttons. Consider using separate accounts for different purposes and enable coin control if supported. Regularly update firmware, back up your seed in multiple secure locations, and never enter your seed into any computer or phone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.